Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on this drugstore makeup look. So guys, if you want to see how I created this look using drugstore makeup products, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. So guys, I'll be making use of Nivea Men Crochet Balm as my primer, okay? My foundation, I'll be making use of this Classic Makeup USA foundation, okay guys? I didn't get this from AliExpress, okay? So guys, now I'm going to be blending out my foundation, okay? Also, the makeup brushes I'll be using today in today's tutorial, I will also put the link in the description. It is also a drugstore makeup brushes, okay? So guys, for my concealer, I'll be making use of this concealer, okay? The link to it will also be in the description. Make sure you check it out. In order to highlight my face. And to contour my face, I'll be contouring my face using this contour stick, okay guys? Also, the link to it will be in the description. And now guys, to blend it out, I'll be making use of this beauty blender to blend out my highlight first. Then I'm going to blend my contour, okay? So guys, have any of you guys tried out affordable makeup, okay, or drugstore makeup products? Does it work for you? Like, guys, now that we are through with blending out the highlights, we're going to go ahead and blend the contour out, okay, using the same beauty blender. So guys, all you need to do is just to blend it upwards like this. So guys, to set my face, I'll be setting my face using this translucent loose powder. It's a drugstore makeup product as well. The link to it will be in the description, okay? So guys, using a powder brush or any brush for your powder, okay? You just need to grab some of the translucent powder and then use it to go over your face, okay, in order to set your face. So guys, to contour my face, I'll be contouring my face using this contour powder, okay? So guys, you just need to go over the areas in which you contour using the contour powder, okay, to set it. I'll be making use of this highlight to highlight my face. The link to it will be in the description, okay guys? It is also a drugstore stroke affordable makeup product. Guys, I'll be making use of this blush, okay, for my blush, okay? It's from MAC, okay? It's not a drugstore product. So guys, for my brow, I'll be making use of this brow gel, okay? The link to it will be in the description as well. It's a drugstore makeup product, okay? So guys, as usual, make a straight line below your brow. Make a line above, following your natural brow line, okay? And then you're just going to fill it in. Okay, so guys, for my eyes, I'll be making use of this color here as my transition color, okay? So guys, also this eyeshadow product is a drugstore product, okay? The link also will be in the description. So guys, I'm just applying the eyeshadow, okay, as my transition color a little bit above my crease. So guys, all you need to do is to keep building up the color till you get to your satisfaction. So guys, I'm going to apply this color here, okay, the outer color here. I'm going to apply it on my outer and my inner corner because we'll be making a halo eye. So guys, now I'm just going to blend out the two colors together using a blending brush. Okay, so guys, we're going to use a little concealer to clean out the center of the lid, okay, to clean out the center of my lid, okay, just a little bit. And so guys, finally I'll be applying the color here on the center of my lid, okay. I'll be placing the color here on the center of my lid, okay. So guys, I'm going to put on my lashes, then I'll be back, okay. Guys, for my lipstick, I'll be making use of these two lip liner, the lip liner and the lipstick, okay. So guys, this is the finished look. Also, the links to the products I use for this drugstore makeup look will be in the description. Make sure you check it. Also, check out the video on how I created this super sleek ponytail using extension. So guys, the link also will also be in the description. Make sure you check it out. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.